About this yesterday being over the Yucatan. Now it's actually formed and it's in the Gulf, so it's strengthening somewhat. It's a big area of lower pressure. It's not a storm yet. It could develop a center. It does have a circulation, but it's not tight. It's kind of a broad center going around like this. But the punchline is that as that drifts northwest, it's definitely going to be hitting deep South Texas and spinning up enough moisture up into our area to also give us some thunder shower activity. So in addition to everything else going on, we've got that's going to be changing our weather map in the next couple of days. Now here we are today. This is this afternoon, some stormy weather out there near the Bay City area. But so far things are quiet down along deep South Texas because it's still a good ways off the shore. You can see how it does have a cluster of thunderstorms. There's the low and there's how it's drifting. This is what the computer models say it's going to do. It's going to go right over Brownsville. At this point in time, Brownsville has a potential of getting some heavier rain. We're going to see some shower activity out of this. I'm not going to say it's a storm, tropical storm. I'm not going to say there's no rain. It's somewhere in the middle. We're going to have thunder shower activity. We have a little bit heavier rain than we've seen in some while. There's a 40% chance in 48 hours that it will strengthen, but by then it'll be onshore. And you can see once it does move ashore, it's not going to have much time to generate anything further. Now, meanwhile, we have Aaron. Aaron is now gathering strength. As you can see, it's going to be a 1 and then a 2 and then a 3 right about here. Fortunately, it looks like it's going to skirt just to the north of the Lesser Antilles. It is going to be very close to the Delmarva Peninsula, you know, up Delaware and those areas, but it's going to be kind of skirting that way. So let's just say Aaron's going to be again a glancing blow to the East Coast. Now, what about us? Well, there's no watches and warnings up for us, but for deep South Texas, and I'm talking Brownsville to about McAllen, they have a flash flood watch already up for the potential of rain. So how much rain can we get? They're going to be looking at 2 to 4 inches out of this. We're going to be looking at 1 to 2 inches in our area as those storms move forward. This is Future Tracker. You can see how the general drift is a little bit farther west of us, but you can see how the moisture is going to be spinning northbound and giving us some strong thunderstorms rolling through the area. We may have slow moving downpour. In fact, it's going to be slow-moving downpours, no heavy winds, no huge lightning problems, anything like that. And that's going to be for Friday and Saturday. Now, did I warn you enough about this? Did I tell you that it's going to be stormy tomorrow? Do you know it's happening? Will you tell your friends that it's happening? It's not a tropical storm, but it is an area of tropical weather headed in our direction. There you see generally on the cloudy side, but by late in the afternoon, a lot of that moisture moves ashore, so we're looking for scattered thunder showers around the area. So we've got a whopping 50% for tomorrow. I went ahead and put it as an alert day because it's a big departure from what we had today, and we may have some heavy rain around the area, and that'll continue again on Saturday afternoon as that pops up again. So there's your forecast as we get you to the weekend. Your 7-day forecast, we want to remind everybody we do have a QR code. We'd love for you to scan that, put Crossroads Today on your phone, and we'll toss it back